It's Thredup Thursday. And you know what that means? We are opening a Thredup rescue box today. Today's box is going to be one of my favorites, the Fun Box. This one, I'm not sure when I ordered it, so hopefully there's a receipt inside and we will see. I did pull this from kind of my storage area, so it's not probably super recent, maybe a little bit older. But this one is coming to us from Phoenix. I feel like I haven't opened one from Phoenix in a while, so we will have to see. I mean, it's kind of heavy, so we'll have to see what's in this one. Hopefully some good stuff. My last Fun Box was really good. If you missed that video, go watch it. It was good. I really liked it. I just love the Fun Boxes though. Listen, they're not always the best, but I feel like you can almost always at least make your money back. And who doesn't love opening a mystery box? There's the polka dot paper. I'm sorry, what? Is this a Fun Box? It's got the purple sticker. Purple is fun. Okay, I'm shook right now. I have to show you the top of this box. Okay, I'm freaking out. As soon as I saw that, I'm like, wait a minute, is this like a men's designer box? No, there's my purple sticker. Y'all, we got some Nikes, and these show that they've been authenticated. Who's seen that sticker in a while? Wow. Now these are tiny. I'll have to look at the size. These are small. You guys, what? What are these doing in this box? This is definitely a Fun Box. Y'all, I'm sorry. I don't see a receipt. There is some like transfer marks here. So I will have to try to see if I can get those off. What? These are so cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can barely read this. Nike and the... Okay, they're trademarked, blah, blah, blah. Okay, where's the size? 6.5? Yeah. Okay, these are a US size 6.5. Okay, these are like Air Jordans, right? My boys love sneakers. I'm sure they wish that these were bigger, but they have big feet. So the cool thing about these is, well, first of all, the print here is almost like a little lizard. I mean, here's the little Air Jordan thing. I mean, unless these aren't real, but they look like they are. They've got the Nike Air. They've got all the yada, yada, yada in there. And then they've got the tag here. This is like satin, if y'all can see that. The only thing is there is some wear to that satin here where it's like missing. And then also on this one as well. So both shoes kind of have that issue. You guys, these are amazing. So cool. I'm thrilled with these. Some damage, but I open designer boxes all the time, so used to that. Okay, we already won. Video over. Just kidding. Okay, let's see what else they sent us. I don't know that they can beat that. That was great. Okay, we have what looks to be a purse strap, faux leather. It's got some gold tone hardware. Here's the buckle, and then you've got the different, I'm sorry, I'm still like thrown off about those shoes. I can't believe that. You've got the different, like where I can't even talk. I'm so thrown off by those shoes. Where you can size it differently depending on how long you want the strap. If anyone's interested, I'm sure I will have put a price on the screen for those Jordans. If anyone's definitely faux leather, but it's in excellent condition. Okay. Next. Okay, what do we have going on here? Hold on. Are these two different things? Okay, these are two different things. We have a... What? Did someone steal this? Oh no. Come on, people. Either someone didn't get the thing removed by accident, or they stole it, you guys. That's not good. Okay, this is Zara, and you've got just like a stretchy headband here. I don't really know if I can get this off, if I'm being honest. I've never tried removing a safety thing. So I'm not sure about this. The price on the back was $12.90. So I'll put a price on the screen if I was able to get that off, but that makes me kind of sad. Okay, next up, we have a pair of really hot pink socks. I don't know what this little symbol is. Looks like a little wing. I was going to see if I saw any sort of tags to say like what brand these are. But they look like really long ones. Maybe they're compression, because they've got the little thing that goes across here. I'm not sure. I don't really have any information about these. We'll just say $3. They are new. They still have the little thing here. I'm guessing they're compression, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, we've got a little bubble wrap with like jewelry boxes in it. A blue and a red, which is thrilling because even if there's nothing in them, I need boxes when I ship jewelry. Here we go. Here's this one. Oh, wow. I was not expecting fingernails. I was expecting jewelry. Okay, that threw me off too. This is quite the interesting fun box so far. This is why I love fun boxes, you guys. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, so we got some fingernails, like press on or glue on nails. And they're like, there's like a sticky strip in here. So they're all kind of like stuck to the sticky strip. Anyway. Okay. I don't know. All right. And then we have some, oh wait, there's writing on the inside here. Okay. It's in Spanish. And then here we have some blue nails with black butterflies. I don't know. I feel like a lot of these words I know, but I don't know what this means. I don't know. I think someone wrote like a nice little gift message here. Y'all wouldn't believe that I actually minored in Spanish, like a degree in Spanish. But anyways, that's cool. That's really interesting. I'll have to kind of like look those up and see if I can find out any info about that. Okay, next up, do you recognize this? We've got like a little kids like protective case that you use to carry a Samsung Galaxy Tablet A8.4. So I'm going to guess that's maybe an older type of tablet. So if anyone's interested in this, let's just keep it the same and say $3. Okay. Let me give you a little peek. Looks like we have like a couple bags and like some other little goodies floating around. So let's grab this little, maybe like a little wallet. In lavender, you've got a keychain ring. And this is, oh, I'm familiar with this. This is Lark and Ives. They've done things in the past with FabFitFun. I'm not sure if this was one of their collaborations, but it's a little card holder. So that's nice. And I know that it's a good brand. And it looks brand new. Nice. Okay. Let's see what else is floating around. I feel like there was something else loose in here. I don't know. Okay, we've got a little bag of goodies. We've got some Charlotte Russe rings. These are in like a gold tone. It doesn't say what size they are. I'm going to guess like a 6 or a 7. I'm sure I'll put the size on the screen. I'll measure it. And if anyone's interested in this, we'll just say $3. Okay, let's see what else is in here. There are some tangles. I thought I was only supposed to get tangles in the DIY box, you guys. Okay, let's see. Got a multi-layer necklace. So you've got 3 different types of chains in kind of a mixed metal. You got the little ball chain in a gold tone and a little gold disc hanging from the bottom. I don't see any sort of branding on this, so same thing. This looks like it's in really good shape. No maker's mark or anything. We'll just say $3 if you're interested in that. Then last thing in the box is this pair of earrings. These do have a mark on them. You guys, stop. These are designer earrings. Okay, I can't with this box. Like, it's great. This is a great fun box, you guys. Okay, let me show you the earring up close. You have kind of this beaded hoop, and then it's got the backing to it. I'm going to show you guys the maker's mark on these. Right there, the Gas Bijou. I actually own a pair of these earrings. I bought them from Lindsay Clark over at Lindsay Clark when she unboxed. I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing like red kind of feather earrings. That's the same brand. These are amazing. These are definitely going to go into my collection. I just need to, looks like I need to clean them a little bit. You guys, these are great. I cannot believe this. Okay. This is a great fun box. Okay, next we have a pair of sunglasses. These say Ellen Tracy on the case. That doesn't mean that's what they are on the inside. Definitely learned that. There's your Ellen Tracy. Don't know if these are Ellen Tracy or not. It does not say that on the inside. It says Grove, I think, right here. It's kind of hard to read. So I'll have to look these up. I don't know if these are like blue light blocker type things, although those look pretty cute on me. But I'm guessing these are like a blue light glass because they're not prescription. And I'll have to look up Grove and see if that's the brand. They're not Ellen Tracy. It happens a lot that I'll get like the case for something and something different inside. One time I got a case and I forgot what the case was, but it was a pair of Celine sunglasses inside. And I kept those. Okay, next up, this looks special. This says Breeder's Cup. And it almost looks like, you know, like saddle leather. This is really cool. I'm guessing this is maybe like a toiletry case. Wow, this is nice. Oh my gosh, is there something in there? Oh my gosh, you guys, there's still stuff in here. Nobody cleaned this out. Unless it's just stuffing. Maybe it's new. Okay, maybe it's new. Maybe it's new. Not going to get freaked out. Okay. Yeah, maybe it's new. All right. I was like, wait a minute. Uh-oh, someone left their stuff. So, but the outside, so maybe it's intended to look like this, to have the leather look kind of distressed. This has a brand name on it. Moore and Giles. And then it says that on the fabric on the inside as well. So maybe this was some sort of gift for the Breeder's Cup. I don't know. But I'm certainly going to look this up. How cool is this? So let's see. You've got a zippered pocket at the bottom. Down here, zipper works. Along with like this little netted part. Then you've got these two, they Velcro. Let's see. No, magnetic pockets. It is stuffing, so like it's never been used. Thank goodness. I was so worried it was so much stuff. So these are magnetic, like that. And then you've got this netted pocket at the top with the zipper. And it looks like the silica pack is still in here. And that one works well too. How nice. Y'all, this feels super nice. So I'm going to have to look this up and see if I can find any more information about it. This was a stellar fun box, you guys. Okay, so let's go over everything I got and count up our items. So we got the toiletry case for one, the necklace for two, the Gas Bijou earrings for three. I'm freaking out over these. The Charlotte Russe rings for four. We got the nails. I mean, I don't know. I think I count this as one, so 5. We got the, what I think are compression socks for 6. We got the blue light glasses for 7. We got the Lark Ives little wallet for 8. We got this, I can't. You guys, I was so thrown off by the Air Jordans that when I looked at the strap, I was just like, couldn't even think of anything about this strap. I'm like, oh, it's just an unbranded strap. Oh, I can't even think of the words for the buckle that's on this. I was just like a throwaway because my mind was so focused on these. You guys, this is a Coach purse strap. I can't. This is awesome. Okay, presuming that this is real Coach, which I would imagine because it's all over the hardware. How did I not see that? OMG. This is gorgeous. Okay. Although it doesn't smell like leather. I don't know. But it says Coach on it, so I'm not sure about that. But it says Coach here. It says Coach here. And it says Coach here on the little things. So sorry, you guys. This was like the craziest unboxing. And I forgot what number I was at. So forget it. I'm sure we got 10. We got the Zara headband with the security tag on it. The Samsung tablet case. Wowzer. I mean, this was awesome. Let me know what you guys think. I do not know when I ordered this one because there was no receipt in the box. And I don't think it says on here a date on the top of the box. Let's see. I don't see a shipping date. So I'm really not sure when I ordered this one. I do know it's a little bit older, but I don't think it's super old. I might be able to look it up by the tracking number and try to figure out from my emails like when I ordered it. But this one was amazing. Yay! What a great Thredup Thursday. Sorry I'm a hot mess during this. I'm so thrown off by all the awesome items. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Drop it in the comment. If you're not subscribed, please do. And I will see you next week for more unboxings. Bye, y'all.